maybe about 20 minutes ago that we'll share with you too in terms of recent allocation that CCLF has and provide resources for you as you think about your exit. Down payment assistance, where resources to identify potential buyers.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Charles from CS Insurance. We're a minority-owned insurance brokerage. Been handling insurance since 2009. We do all types of insurance, a lot of different clients and a lot of diverse clients, but we do have experience with developers like you all.
It's not about greed, it's about getting your property finished and getting it sold. So you have to go in, building in the monies that's gonna be necessary to help it close. I'm gonna tell you some things today to help you figure out how to structure your deals to make sure they close. I'm gonna talk about down payment assistance, and I'm talking about 3-2-1 buy downs, and I'm talking about seller concessions, and I'm gonna talk about tax prorations.
It supports revitalization and development of communities through financial assistance and resources, targeting community development projects like affordable housing, single family, or 2-flat units.
When it comes to you as developers seeking out a licensed architect, right? Because there's a clear distinction between someone who's a designer, someone who's practicing architecture, and someone who's a licensed architect. A licensed architect is basically a lawyer that you draw.
We maintain the property is good. You know what I'm saying? We do demo work, landscaping work. But the most important thing we do that I want y'all to know is we hire all the troubled young men from our neighborhood, and we try to give them something positive to do and give them some work. And you'll be surprised they be wanting to work if we give them a chance.
One of the things that I want to highlight is the ability to reverse referral. So let's talk about that. So if you have someone in the community in the right age group that you know wants to learn carpentry, wants to learn the trades, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, things of that nature, we have the opportunity to reverse refer them. So while they're working with us, they receive a stipend, they receive support services and things like that.
It's part of the programmatic incentive to revitalize and make sure that the developers are clearing their profit and still putting the units back to productive homeownership eventually.